Want to reset your mind for success? It's a wise move. Your thoughts wield significant power over your actions and reactions in life. Consequently, the way you think profoundly influences your success and overall happiness. But if you aren't there yet, you need to reset your mind for success. And there are various ways you can reset and strengthen your mind. So how can you embark on this transformative journey of personal development? Well, let's find out. 1. Set clear goals. Setting clear goals is a fundamental pillar of resetting your mind for success. In the world of self-development, having a clear, well-defined destination is your North Star, guiding your every step and decision. Without such guidance, you risk drifting aimlessly, squandering your potential and resources in the process. The process of goal setting begins with introspection, where you delve deep into your desires, aspirations, and values. What do you truly want to achieve? What motivates you? By answering these questions, you unearth the raw material for your goals. Be specific, for vague goals yield vague results. Instead of, "I want to be successful," pinpoint the precise facets of success that matter most to you. Clarity is key. Whether it's advancing in your career, building meaningful relationships, achieving financial security, or excelling in a particular skill or hobby. Once your goals are articulated, break them down into manageable milestones. This makes the path less daunting and prepares you mentally for what is expected. Each milestone becomes a checkpoint, a tangible marker of your progress, and a source of motivation. 2. Reduce your social media time. Excessive social media consumption can adversely affect your cognitive capabilities. To reset your mind, you will need a social media detox. Sandra Bond Chapman, founder of the Center of Brain Health, highlighted that the more information we constantly absorb, the shallower our thinking becomes, and our brain systems become more fragmented. Contrary to the common belief that consuming copious amounts of information leads to greater intelligence, research indicates that the smartest leaders are those who recognize the value of selectively filtering information. In essence, less is more. Moreover, a study revealed that heavy social media users struggle to transition effectively between tasks compared to moderate to light social media users. This suggests that heavy media multitasking can lead to distraction. So, in our journey towards a success mindset, it's essential to prioritize quality over quantity in media consumption. Opt for watching 1 TV episode instead of 3, reading 1 news story rather than 7, and browsing 5 Instagram posts instead of spending 30 minutes scrolling mindlessly. 3. Exercise self-control. In your journey to transform your thoughts and behaviors, it's essential to address your thoughts and any harmful habits or addictions you may have. These habits often intertwine with negative thought patterns and can hinder your progress. To overcome them, you must exercise self-control and gradually decondition yourself. Identify the habit you wish to break, whether it's overeating or dependency on a substance, and confront your triggers deliberately. It may be challenging initially, but with each attempt it becomes easier. When you gain control over the habit, you'll experience a significant improvement in your overall well-being. For example, if you're working to overcome overeating, expose yourself to the aroma or an image of the food you typically crave during snack time and resist the urge. Start with a manageable duration, whether it's 30 seconds or a few minutes. The key is to carry out this process in a normal everyday setting. Maintaining normalcy in your conditions maximizes the effectiveness of this approach, reducing the likelihood of falling back. 4. Prioritize physical well-being. Research consistently underscores the profound impact of diet, hydration, sleep, and exercise on our emotional well-being. To cultivate a more positive mindset, assessing and enhancing how you care for your body is essential. Diet plays a significant role here. Evaluate whether you provide your body with the necessary minerals, vitamins, and nutrients. Consider diversifying your food choices to promote better overall health. Scientific studies have established connections between vitamin deficiencies and conditions like depression and anxiety. Moreover, the quality and quantity of sleep you receive are critical. Failing to consistently get 8 hours of sleep per night can lead to heightened negative thinking and increased irritability. You'll notice improvements in your mental and emotional state by attending to your physical well-being. Your body and mind are interconnected, and nurturing one aspect positively influences the other. 5. Embrace failure. Failure isn't the end of the road. It's just a signpost that helps you navigate your journey better. Instead of treating failures as setbacks, consider them valuable life lessons. Thomas Edison didn't invent the light bulb in 1 try, but he also didn't beat himself up over it. He learned, adapted, and ultimately succeeded. When you face a failure, dissect it. Figure out what went wrong and how you can avoid making the same mistake in the future. This isn't a post-mortem, It's an opportunity analysis. By dissecting your failures, you remove your power to dishearten you and empower yourself to make more informed decisions moving forward. 6. Embrace meditation. John Thornton, similar to thinkers like Cole Hastings, described meditation as the cornerstone of growth mindset training. It's like exercise for the mind. Scientific research has substantiated the transformative effects of mindfulness meditation on the brain. This practice activates new neural pathways, enhancing self-observational skills and mental flexibility, essential qualities for achieving success. Moreover, studies have revealed that even non-experienced mediators can experience significant improvements in attention, memory, mood, and emotional regulation through brief daily meditation. However, it's important to note that sustained practice is not necessary to realize these benefits. Commit to 8 weeks of consistent daily meditation to fully harness the advantages. Stay dedicated to the practice. The results are well worth the effort. 7. Cultivate your social connections. In the quest to reset your mindset, it's crucial to recognize the profound influence of your social circle. Our brains are continuously exposed to signals and information from our environment, and one of the most potent influences on our minds is the people we surround ourselves with. As Jim Rohn says, you are the average of 5 people you spend the most time with. So consider how your social life shapes your thoughts and actions. Ideally, you should aim to encircle yourself with an intellectually diverse group of individuals who inspire personal growth and align with your goals. While practicing media consumption in moderation, engage in personal development online communities on platforms like Facebook, LinkedIn groups, and Twitter networks. 8. Adopt an attitude of gratitude. One of the quickest ways to reset your mindset is by focusing on what you're thankful for. Science tells us that gratitude not only improves your emotional well-being, but also has a tangible impact on your physical health. Keep a gratitude journal and jot down 3 things you're thankful for every day. This simple act shifts your focus away from what's lacking or what went wrong, pulling you into a positive mindset. But hey, we're not just talking about a once-in-a-while gratitude moment. We're talking about a lifestyle change. Make it a point to express your thankfulness to people around you. Compliment your coworker on a job well done, or thank your friend for their continuous support. These gestures not only uplift you but also enhance the quality of your relationships. 9. Detox your environment. You've already heard the saying, you are the average of the 5 people you spend the most time with. But it's not just about people, it's also about the environment you live and work in. A cluttered workspace or living area can be distracting and energetically draining, pulling you away from a mindset of success. Now let's get practical. Dedicate some time to declutter your space. Toss out or donate items you no longer need. Organize your desk and create a space that radiates positivity. Just like a clean slate, a clean space provides the necessary room for your thoughts and creativity to flourish. 10. Mind your words. The words you choose have a powerful impact, not only on others but also on yourself. Negative words can hurt both you and those around you, fostering negativity that can influence your thoughts and behaviors. It's crucial to remain mindful of your language when communicating with others. If negative thoughts or words begin to surface, intervene and tell yourself to stop. Redirect your focus towards something positive that aligns with your goals. Expressing positivity and love benefits your well-being and creates a positive energy that radiates to those around you. Your mindset plays a pivotal role in what you can achieve. Adopting a success mindset and believing in your capabilities opens doors to unparalleled achievements. We all have those moments when negative thought patterns repeat like a broken record. Whether it's thoughts like, I'm unattractive, I'm worthless, or I'm depressed. These tapes can be unhelpful. Recognize when this negative tape is playing and hit the stop button. Replace it with a new narrative that breathes fresh positivity into your mind. Remember, you have only one life to live, and it's vital not to settle for less or succumb to the expectations of others. Instead, take the reins and proactively shape your desired outcomes and the life you envision. What are you waiting for? The path to success and happiness begins with your actions today. That's all from this video. See you in the next one.